course of evolution, the entire face of Earth has changed. The physical and spiritual development is attributed to sex. Sex is the gift of God. All relations are based on the sex. The uncontrolled growth of population in the mankind is the result of sexually uneducated people. Human sexual behaviors are different from animals. Animals do not have any rule for sex. Some domestic animals are depending on their masters for their breedings. All moving and growing life in the world is the result of sex. Even mankind controls themselves. Our society controls our sexual behavior. First, to control endless competition. Some form of marriage is necessary. So let's take a quick look at the evolution of marriage. Pair bonding and raising children is all the dishumanity in itself, with the rise in sanitary agricultural societies about 10,000 years ago. Marriage were also course of securing rights to land and property by designating children born under certain circumstances as rights of heirs. As these societies became modern and more complex, marriage became not just a matter in between the individual and the families, but also an official institution governed by religious and civil authorities. Many ancient civilizations allow some of multiple and simultaneous marriage. And even today, less than a quarter of world, hundreds of different cultures prohibit it. But just because something was allowed doesn't mean it was always possible. Another places the table would turn and a woman can have multiple husbands. We are all brothers and the family marriage the same woman. We have established many demos in relate to sex. More society are unconcerned to self-masturbation since it do not disturb any society structure. But if you regard it this have to be mentioned. Sexual dreams are caused because of the nocturnal dreams. These are everywhere in the society. Such dreams were once attributed to Nyx, the Roman goddess of dreams, or Egyptian goddess Nephthys, or spirits or demons known as incubi and succubi, who sought out sleeping humans for sexual intercourse.
Wake up! It is 8.
Amma, your timing is always wrong na.
You have to go to college.
Yeah, Amma, I'm getting ready.
Ya Allah! This boy always gets late.
See, Dad, we have to concentrate on business. Agarwal will be reporting to me tomorrow morning. Do you want me to update the report?
Just make sure you revisit the parties,
Sure.
okay?
Thank you.
And get the check payments.
Yeah.
Sabrina,
Yes, coming.
I don't know. Why this boy is always late? Huh? Do you remember Nawaz?
Yes.
My cousin brother from USA.
Yes.
He came to settle down some property business. I'm going to meet him today.
Okay.
Oh, really, Dad?
Yeah.
He's come. And Rihanna is also there?
Yes. Rihanna is also with Nawaz.
Oh, that's lovely.
So, I'm going to meet him today.
Right, Dad. Dad, can I go along with you so that I can meet
No.
Rihanna?
I'm going to
Abu?
meet them alone.
Can I ask something?
Yes, my dear loving daughter.
Abu, I passed my secondary 3 years back. My friends have passed their 12th class and they are now in college. I want to sit in this year's 12th exams and I will go to college.
Sabrina! Is this the education you gave her? Huh? What is this? You did not teach her about Islam and the rules of Islam? Men and women are important. Women are made to serve men and produce their kids. You should be perfect in your household work. I'm looking for the best groom for you, okay? And make sure our name should not be damaged in your in-laws' family. Forget about your studies. Just concentrate on your real studies. Okay?
Abu, I don't know what our religion says, but there is one thing. Sakina, this should graduate at least. You know, what's the fact of our life? Like cooking food and cleaning house only?
Shut up, Sikandar! Don't even dare to say anything against Islam. Okay? Otherwise, I will forget that you are my son. This education is spoiling young girls. They don't know anything about hijab. They don't know anything about parda. They are just showing their bodies.
Rihanna?
Yeah, Abu.
Rihanna, look, who came to meet you?
Hi.
Allah Hafiz. Nawaz,
Yes?
we have a lot of things to do. Come with me.
Sure. Okay.
What is this, Nawaz?
What, brother?
You went there to earn money, not to lose your religion. When you married a Christian, I thought you will increase the Muslim population. But you made your daughter a complete American?
True, brother. They are in America. We cannot interfere in the life of our own children. Even cannot slap them. If any does will, be liable for prosecution.
Ya Allah.
क्या हुआ अबू को?
Actually, sir, his condition is very serious. I have to call an ambulance.
Okay, doctor.
Rihanna,
Abu,
my daughter,
he'll be
I'm
fine.
going.
No, Abu.
Zulfi. Zulfi.
Yes, uncle.
Give me your hand. Like other fathers, I too have a dream that my daughter get married, and I want you to get married her.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानुर्रहीम। नवाज अहमद, रेहाना बिनते जुल्फी रहमान वल्द मोहम्मद जलाल, मेहर 25 लाख, सिक्के राजुल वक्त, निकाह करार पाया। आपको कबूल है?
कबूल है।
जुल्फी वल्द जलाल रहमान, रेहाना बिनते नवाज अहमद, मेहर मुजाज 25 लाख रुपए, सिक्के राजुल वक्त, निकाह में दिया। आपको कबूल है?
कबूल है।
By the grace of Allah, your father is completely all right now.
Rihanna,
Yes, Abu.
I am going back. I wish you a lot. It's you who saved me. Give love and be happy. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Do you want to have sex with me?
You are so hot and beautiful.
No issue. But charge will cost you 25,000 extra. In cash, baby.
I'll pay you more. I can pay you more.
No extra money required. This is for natural sex. No anal.
Huh.
Yo.
Why this condom, baby? It's not appreciate.
Come here. Sensation is here, not there. Fire is in me. How far? You'll not burn in this fire. It is to watch. Never do sex with a stranger without condom. It can cause AIDS.
You speak like TV commercial. You are so beautiful and healthy. So how could you be infected?
But baby, You are a stranger for me.
Paswan,
Yes, sir.
for last 2 months, I'm maintaining total celibacy. How can I control? I want to do something today. Make some arrangement.
Sir, it's too late for horse too.
What? What?
No, sir. We can catch some high-class girls who give massage with sex. They
Really?
attend their clients in 5 stars. I know a taxi driver who drops and picks up these girls. We can catch any one of them. And your work will be done, sir.
Oh, good. But do it fast.
Okay, sir. हेलो ग्रोवर, अरे किधर है तू? होटल से निकल रहा है ना? अरे बाबा ऐसे ही फोन किया था, सब ठीक ठाक है ना? अच्छा सुन, आज अपने साहब का बहुत मूड है, कुछ जुगाड़ करना? अरे बाबा, वो सब साहब बात कर लेगा, तू बस जुगाड़ करना। हाँ, ठीक है, आता है ना? हाँ, चल बाबा। सर, 90% of your work has been done. And sir, for you, any girl will be ready. Otherwise, sir will put her behind the bars.
No. I will take care.
Thank you, sir.
But do it fast.
Okay, sir.
रुक।
Yes? What's the problem, Inspector?
Come out.
But what's the issue?
You. I said come out.
What rubbish? How can you call me? Wait a sec. Freak. So. Do not create any scene here. You don't know me. I am Tara, advocate of High Court, Tara Sharma. So keep your mouth shut. I'm selling my body, doing sex with my customers. This is my other business. I do it individually. Indian law gives me this right. Nobody can stop me. Not even you. Got it? You are a savior. Is this the duty of a savior? What are you doing? You are the protector of citizens. Under the pressure of sex, you forget your duty? That's you. The devils who are starving for sex, girls like me. Save the society from rapists. Save women. Save babies. We are the savior. Yet you're yelling at me? And we are criticized. On the contrary, you should be criticized, not us. So, baby, we are also human beings. We have our moods. I know what you want. Better luck. Next time.
Sir, what about your celibacy? Shut up! Sorry, sir. I will arrange something else. Most of the girls or women who are in the business of sex are not bold and educated as Tara. They are being exploited by those so-called savior of society. And every year we celebrate the Republic Day. But do you know, we are following civil code and criminal code of British rulers. We have not developed any law to secure these sex workers. Prostitution is the oldest profession in this world. it evident and mentioned in the history that all societies, whether developed or not, had sex workers. In ancient era, our ancestors were aware the importance of these prostitutes. They know the prostitutes work drainage in this society, who took the dirt out and make society clean. Nagarvadu, Ganikas, and courtesan were treated respectfully. In present time, most of the western and far east countries has developed red light districts where prostitution and adult entertainment are legal. Amsterdam has the biggest red light districts of the world. Thailand's Pattaya is the of South Asian sex-starving riches. Las Vegas, red light is having similar status in America. In Mumbai, the dirty chawls of Kamatipura is the red light area, full of disease and dirt. These sex workers are real social workers. They make our society clean and safe. Always, you may have noticed, whenever law and order system try to clean the city by throwing these sex workers out, there is a significant rise in the sex crime. Why most of the countries legalize sex as organized business? Because they know that this is the necessary requirement of human body like food. Moreover, prostitution is the oldest trade of mankind. These prostitutes do the work of drainage to take out the dirt of society.
Rihanna, how could you do to me?
Alex, I married to save my father's life.
Oh, sweetheart, I missed the chance to propose you. But how could you marry a stranger?
I did. I did it. I did what my heart said that time. I came here for holidays after my LGBT thesis submission.
Tell me how Zulfi.
Yeah, Zulfi is smart and handsome.
Anyways, there's a good news for you. Your LGBT thesis has got approval and it may be accepted by Chicago University within fortnight. Let me know when you're coming back to America, okay?
Good morning. Assalamu alaikum, bhabhi.
Hey, good morning. Okay, bye. Thanks, Sakina. You're very sweet.
Here's your coffee.
Where's Zulfi?
Due to some assignments of business, he has gone to Singapore. And he will be back in a week.
Sakina, what do you do?
I'm not studying. Abu did not allow me to study more than 10th. I've completed my Dini Talim for women. I'm spending most of my time in the worship of Allah.
Okay.
What is your qualification, bhabhi?
I did my PhD in sexual behavior.
Ya Allah, you're highly qualified.
I'm a clinical sex therapist.
It means you solve the problems of sex. Great. Bhaijan is coming in a week. And I and Sikandar will show you a city.
Where is Sikandar?
Bhabhi, she's Sarita. She wants to meet you.
नमस्ते बीबी जी।
Namaste.
बीबी जी, हम लोग बहुत गरीब लोग हैं, बड़ा कुछ तो दे नहीं सकते, ये आपके लिए मेरी तरफ से।
Oh, thank you. Nice,
That's
Sakina.
very nice.
It is very beautiful. Because it has your love.
बीबी जी, ये मेरी बेटी मीरा।
You're so beautiful, like an angel.
Oh, thanks.
सिकंदर, सिकंदर, सिकंदर,
Hi.
Sikandar,
What's up?
did you see that video which I sent you? It was amazing. You know, it was very, very hot and sexy.
I can't watch the full video again.
Now you don't tell me, you know. Adab.
Adab. Adab. How's everything?
Everything is fine.
How's your mom and dad?
They are good.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes, Dad.
great.
Okay.
And how's your studies going on?
Fine, uncle. Fine.
Good, very good. Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you.
Take care.
Yeah.
Oh.
If you still have a problem, I will take you to the doctor tomorrow.
Zulfi Bhai got married.
What? Zulfi bhai got married?
Yeah.
No information. How could you do this?
It's a long story. I'll tell you later.
Sikandar, Bhabhi is getting ready. We have to take her out to show Mumbai.
Abhi, this is silly. Bhabhi, this is a very good mall of our city. This is very good for Mumbai Metro. Bhabhi, what do you wish here? It will become true.
Bhabhi, what did you ask from Haji Ali? I'm so excited today.
And this is Gateway of India.
Hey, you! Stop!
Abu, do you know what Rihanna Bhabhi did today? She's so brave. She has that type of courage. You know, when we are in market, like we are just shopping, there one person misbehaving with Sakina. So Bhabhi, so brave, she slapped that person and that person ran from there.
Sakina,
Yes? Yes, Abu?
were you in your hijab while this happened?
Yes, Abu, she was totally covered as usual. I'm telling the truth.
And what Bahu Begum was wearing that time?
Abu, what I am wearing right now.
La hawl wala quwwata illa billah al-aliyyul azim. In our family, no one goes out like this. They all wear burqa. They all do hijab.
Abu, may I say something?
No. You are not supposed to say anything in front of me. Whatever I told you, it's according to our religion.
But I'm a Christian mother and Muslim father's daughter. And my religion is humanity. And what are you talking about? Despite the fact that Sakina was in hijab, still the boy indecently behaved with her. And I was wearing a dress like this, and still he didn't misbehave with me. And why should a woman cover herself in a male-dominated society? Tell me, Abu. A man should hijab his eyes, his mind. A girl is always victimized by male mindset. A man cannot control himself. He covers a woman as as he cannot control his own sexual desires. And according to him, because he treats women as a sex object, he presumes that the society will also treat his daughter and wife in a similar manner. And what have you done to Sakina, Abu? Just look at her. You stopped her education after 10th. Please look around the world. Women are participating in the development of the nation. A woman works everywhere, in every field. I'm a psychiatrist too, and I understand all kinds of behavior. I know you love your daughter a lot, but you are under the influence of old thoughts. Look towards a new horizon, Abu. Please make Sakina a confident and an educated woman so that she can make you proud. Support her, Abu. Abu, educate Sakina.
What you did? What? No one had ever dared.
हाँ मामा, आ रही हूँ, बस आ रही हूँ. ठीक है, पहुँच जाऊंगी मैं. बस ट्रेन में ही हूँ, आ रही हूँ. ठीक है? हेलो मम्मा, रखूं?
We have high court. I'll get you the justice. I'm not going to share my lunch with her. You should also not do that. You know she's not from a good family. Like we are. Let's go from here. Ignore her. She belongs to a very cheap society.
Our parents have told us not to play with you, not to be friends with you at all. You don't come from a good home.
Tara Sharma, you are rusticated from the school. So please leave. No need to come from tomorrow onwards. Inform your parents as well.
आपने मेरी बच्ची को स्कूल से निकाल दिया सिर्फ इसलिए
क्योंकि ये वेश्या की बेटी है।
हाँ मैं कमाटीपुरा में रहती हूँ। हाँ मैं हूँ, मगर इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि बेटी स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ सकती। कि बेटी को पढ़ने का अधिकार नहीं है क्या? मैं आपसे वादा करती हूँ एक दिन मैं अपनी बच्ची को बहुत पढ़ाऊंगी और वो आपसे भी ज्यादा पैसे कमाएगी। देखिएगा, ये मेरा वादा है आपसे।
Every action has an equal and opposite.
You are so hot.
has an equal and opposite reaction. Every action 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 has an reaction. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Every action has an
मेरी बच्ची पढ़ रही है।
हाँ।
तुम्हारे एग्जाम आने वाले हैं ना, मन लगा के पढ़ना।
जी।
तुम्हें फीस भरने के लिए पैसों की जरूरत है ना?
हाँ मम्मा। थैंक यू मम्मा।
मैं चाहती हूँ मेरी बच्ची मन लगा के बहुत पढ़े और बहुत बड़ी इंसान बने।
हाँ, इतने सारे पैसे?
बेटा, बस मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि जो कुछ मुझे जिंदगी में नहीं मिला, वो सब तुझे मिले। जो मेरे सपने हैं, वो तुम पूरे करो।
Tara, you immediately manage 3 lakhs rupees for your mother treatment. An idea has come to my mind. Mr. Moolchandani case is posted for judgment in the court of Mr. Das. Moolchandani can give you 3 lakh rupees. You have to bring that judgment in his favor, and it will solve all your problems.
Yeah, sir, but how could I get the judgment in his favor, sir?
Tara, Justice Das is an honest person, but he is very fond of cute girls like you.
What rubbish.
You can easily bring his judgment in our favor.
मम्मा, मम्मा,
बेटी कौन आया है?
मम्मा,
ओ वकील साहब आप।
मम्मा, कितनी बार बोला है मत आया करो बेडरूम के बाहर। अभी इंजेक्शन दिया था ना माँ। रेस्ट करो मम्मा। मना किया था मम्मा आपको बाहर आने के लिए। अंदर चलिए। I accept your proposal. I'm ready, sir. मम्मा, मम्मा, ये लो। लो मम्मा। ले लो। माँ, मैं तुम्हारा इलाज कराऊंगी। माँ, मैं तुम्हारा अच्छे से अच्छे हॉस्पिटल में इलाज कराऊंगी। माँ, मैंने पैसे का पूरा अरेंजमेंट कर लिया है। माँ, तुम बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाओगी। माँ, मैं पैसे लाई हूँ। ये देखो माँ, ये देखो, ये देखो, ये देखो, ये देखो, लो, और है, ये देखो, ये देखो, और है माँ, और है माँ, और पैसे लाऊंगी मैं तुम्हारे लिए माँ। मामा उठो ना मामा उठो ना उठो ना मामा उठो ना उठो ना उठो उठो ना उठो ना उठो ना उठो ना उठो मामा उठो ना उठो उठो मामा उठ जाओ उठ जाओ उठ जाओ माँ उठो माँ I promise you that the education you gave me by selling your son will not be wasted. And the money what I am earning by selling my body will be invested for the justice of the 6 workers. I promise you.
अल्लाहु अकबर। अत्तहियातु लिल्लाहि वस्सलावातु वत्तय्यिबातु अस्सलामु अलैका या नबी व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू अस्सलामु अलैना इबादिल्लाहि सालिहीन अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाह अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाह। या अल्लाह मेरे गुनाहों को माफ़ फरमा। या अल्लाह बख्श दे। मौलाए करीम तू अजीम है, तू रहीम है, तू करीम है। या मेरे परवरदिगार मेरे गुनाहों को बख्श दे। या अल्लाह मुझे नेकी दे, मुझे नेकी पे चलने की तौफीक अता फरमा। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। What wrong are you doing, Jalal? With your own daughter, you are doing step treatment. You are keeping her illiterate, making her lame for the society. Shame on you, Jalal. Your Bahu Begum is right in this sense. If you will not educate her, she will always be dependable on others. And even in Quran, it's nowhere mentioned that women should not be educated. Yes, my Bahu Begum is absolutely correct. Ya Allah, give me the power to correct my mistakes.
Doctor, your medicine is not working on Sikandar. He's still ejaculating prematurely.
Listen, now this dose will definitely cure you. Your penis will be like a horse, and you will able to insert, and you will not ejaculate till you wish. I will also suggest you to perform a ritual by Maulvi. He will stop the lady spirit which comes in your dreams and make you like this. You don't worry. I have this medicine. Use 1 hour before sex and you will try any lady. Really?
How much for these medicines, Dr. Sahab?
This is a little costlier. Made by gold ashes. And more costly thing, 20,000 only.
20,000? But sir, right now I don't have cash.
Not to worry. I also accept credit cards. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Hello? Yes, 1
Thank
minute.
you.
Room number 303.
Thank you. Good luck, buddy. This time you will definitely done. All the best.
Hi, I'm Ruby.
Hi, Ruby. I'm Sikandar.
Why is that so? Why are you wearing your clothes? Why are you going? Wait, let's try again. Hey.
Sikandar, there's good news. Abu himself has bought the examination form for Sakina. Ammi and Sakina went to Dargah.
Excuse me.
What is all this? Huh? What is all this rubbish? Tell me! Tell me! Tell me! Tell me! What is this, huh? Tell me!
Yes. Yes, I wanna die. I don't want to live. I wanna die.
What? Why? Why are you crying? Don't cry. Tell me. May I know what is your problem? Tell me.
No, Bobby. You cannot help me. There is no solution to my problem. It is an incurable disease. And I cannot live with this disease.
Tell me. Tell me, dear. Don't cry. What is your problem? Tell me.
Bobby, I'm experienced of premature ejaculation. So I went to a doctor. And doctor told me that you have a disease.
For this? You want to kill yourself for this? Oh my god. This happens in the lack of sex education. Don't worry. I will cure you. To make you perfect, I need a girl. Give me the contact number of the girl you visited last.
On Facebook profile, her name is Ruby.
Oh.
What is her real name? I don't know.
Hello, Ruby. I want to meet you. Why? I'll explain it to you when we meet. Okay.
See you tomorrow at WJ's lobby.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Welcome, sir.
Zulfi, I can't tell you. Last night we enjoyed a lot.
Come sit.
Yeah. Zulfi, I want to tell you something. You have done wrong with Rihanna.
Come on, Bobby, you know that. In that situation, what I was to do, I did that. You know, her father was dying. And I'm totally yours. You trust me, dude. And from that day, I'm staying with you. I'm not going back. And again, I'm making a plan to go outside for a month. Maybe I'll go to Bangkok or Singapore. Just with you.
I love you.
Even I love you so much. Let's go.
Yeah.
Rihanna.
Yash.
You are here in India?
I don't want to live with that man.
Rihanna, why are you behaving like a common girl? Oh God. Really, sex has many secrets. It cannot be revealed. It has so many knots that mankind trying to unfold for centuries. Sexual orientation is a personal thing of every man and woman, unless it affects the structure of society. In your case, it is affecting the institution of marriage. Meeting you in India is a surprise for me. You did your PhD under my guidance on LGBT community. Rihanna, it was your theory where you advocated and propounded a theory of transforming homosexuality to heterosexuality. You even advocated that a guy can be straight. Think, Rihanna, why the destiny sent you here and is an unavoidable circumstances had to marry a gay person. In my opinion, it is God who sent you here to prove your theory in practical, Rihanna. It is not your individual problem. It is the problem in general where man and woman lived married life without knowing their orientation, without explaining their preferences to their partner. Do you know, in the country like India, most of the women have not experienced orgasm as they are reluctant to speak their desire.
Huh.
Yeah. Where are you? Oh yeah, just seen you. Coming. Hey.
Hi. Rihanna.
I see. I'm so sorry. I couldn't meet you yesterday. I thought you were a lesbo. I'm sorry. So, anyway, tell me, what have you called me here?
I need your help.
My help?
Yeah. I'm a clinical sex therapist and the sister-in-law of Sikandar.
Sikandar? Now who's Sikandar?
Oh, you may not know him by his name, but he's the boy who could not have sex with you and he ejaculated prematurely. After that incident, he tried to kill himself.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
But it's a medical problem. I can't help it.
True, but the treatment is mental and requires a sex partner. And since he does not have a sex partner, I want you to be his sex surrogate so that we can cure him. And may I know your real name?
My name is Tara, and I admire your effort to cure your brother-in-law. But why did you choose me as sex surrogate? For him?
Because you're the only person who did not mock at his disability.
I heard about this therapy before, but this is for importance, and Sikandar is not important. Anyway, you are a sex therapist, so you may know better.
Hey, okay, well, great. You know something about this, dear. You are having a vast knowledge. Okay, so first of all, may I know your qualification?
I am an advocate in High Court, Tara Sharma.
Oh my god, that's why.
But I'm not ashamed of my identity. My second business, I'm not ashamed of. As a sex worker. Anyway, let's discuss about money and formalities. As a sex surrogate.
Rihanna ma'am saab. Oh, Angel ma'am saab. What a pleasant surprise. You're here. Vinod, this is my Angel ma'am, about whom I was talking. And Angel ma'am, Vinod is my best friend.
Hello.
Hi.
My best friend.
You're so sweet.
Thanks.
Meet, this is Tara, my friend.
Hi.
Hello.
She's an advocate in High Court.
Oh, great. Vinod, remember I told you I shall be an advocate
Yeah.
and fight against the criminals of the society. I want to be like you one day.
Oh, lovely. Yeah, sure. God bless. But not like me.
Do not consider me as your sister-in-law at present. I'm your doctor, who is going to treat you.
Bhabhi, I feel ashamed to talking this type of issue with you.
Do not behave like a fool. In this foolishness, you're going to end your life. Thank God, I reached on time. Spending thousands of rupees on foolish treatments. That is the main problem of this country. That nobody here wants to discuss this subject, which is the base of our life. Sex is not a sin. This is the pivotal point of our life. In the lack of sex education, the youth of this country is misguided. Sikandar, take it very comfortably, like any other problem of your body.
Yes, Bhabhi, it's true. Tell me now what I have to do.
In the game of lovemaking, you really need to show your power, your prowess as a man. Unfortunately, many men today find it difficult to last long during sexual intercourse. Kegel exercises could be very helpful to solve this problem. It will solve your premature ejaculation problem. Bring that laptop here.
Okay, Bhabhi.
Look here. In this quick video, we are going to be talking about premature ejaculation.
Premature ejaculation is a problem that happens to those men who come into contact or by just mere thinking of a female get excited and ejaculate. This video is about how to cure it.
Some men have very sensitive skin at the end of their penis and therefore give more pleasure from sex, which makes it harder to stop rating orgasm as the sensation is overwhelming. Some guys are just really highly sexed, and the thought of being with a woman, all that means the sight of the naked woman now, can almost make them orgasm. Method 1. Masturbate more often. Masturbating helps in relieving the pressure of getting constant erections. Too little masturbation is more likely to lead to premature ejaculation than too much masturbation. Method 2. Squeeze. If you are overheating during masturbation or sex, stop and squeeze right below the head of your penis. Apply firm pressure with your thumb and forefinger and focus the pressure on the urethra. This is the tube running along the underside of your penis. This method pushes blood out of the penis and repulses your need to ejaculate. Method 3. Sexercise. Do your Kegels. These exercises help tighten your pelvic floor muscles, so head to the bathroom with a full bladder and try to cut off the flow of urine, starting and stopping repeatedly. Once you're these exercises down pat, Practice your Kegels by holding these for count of 10 seconds. Then release and practice in sets of 10. Stronger PC muscles while you have more control of your ejaculation and last longer in bed. This is a pelvic frame just like yours. This is a pubic bone at the front and there is a tailbone at the back. And underneath there is a pelvic outlet. Proper pelvic for contraction feels like a lift in a squeeze inside that area. It feels like tightening in through the inus of your back passage. It feels like a lift and squeeze through your vagina and penis. Feels like tightening, squeezing sensation in and around your urethra or the urine shape with through your urine passes.
See, all these are Kegel exercises. Accordingly, it will make your pelvic area strong. And we can say that it will get better with these exercises day by day.
Practice of yoga asana makes pelvic muscles strong. During this asana, one has to squeeze his anus inside and hold the position.
Sakina, I have come back.
Oh my son, how
Assalamu
are
alaikum,
you?
Mummy.
Walaikum salam.
Assalamu alaikum,
Walaikum
Bhaijan.
salam. Are you okay?
Come with me. Bhabhijan, look, Bhabhijan.
Okay.
Bhaijan has
Okay.
come.
Okay,
Please
I'm
come.
coming. Oh, my dear sister.
Bhaijan, see, Bhabhi has been waiting for a long time for you. Bhabhijan, see, Bhaijan has come. Bhaijan, you're so lucky to have such a beautiful and understanding wife with you. But you're equally unlucky to be away from her for 10 days. Oh God, why am I even standing here? You're blushing here, Bhaijan. Bhabhi, don't let him go now. I'll leave you alone.
We are going out for dinner. I will go and get fresh. You get ready. What are you doing? Rihanna?
What happened, Zulfi? Tell me.
Rihanna, I want to confess something. I am the culprit. Yes, I am the culprit. I spoiled your life. I destroyed your life. I am so sorry. Actually, that day, I don't wanted to accept that marriage proposal. I don't know why I did that.
Are you in love with someone else?
Yes,
Who is she?
he's Bobby.
He?
Yes. I'm a gay. Yes, Rihanna, I am gay. How could I say these words to my family that I am a gay? I want to spend my life with a gay partner.
So what? You have to speak to your mother or father.
Come on, Rihanna. This is India, not America. In this country, my sexual orientation is a crime. Then no society will not accept this homosexuality.
What you did with me is not a thing to be forbidden. What you said is really shocking. So, what are you thinking about our future?
There is only one way out. Either you ask for khulats, or I shall give you divorce, talaq.
Why don't you give me talaq immediately?
Not immediately. Please. It will give a worst effect on Nawaz uncle's health. Please stay. Stay here for a while. I'm really sorry, Rihanna. See, everyone loves you so much in my family. And I apologize. Do I know my apology won't solve the purpose? But you are a therapist. And I need a help. Please help me out, Rihanna. You can understand my entire situation. I need a friend, not a wife. You can be a friend. Can you?
Okay. We are friends. And now I want to meet my friend's friend.
Sure.
Hi.
Hi. Hello. Wait. Relax. Get in. Take things light. Never take it to your heart so much. Come. See my house. How's it? Sit. Here. Yeah.
Anyways, why did you laugh on me, huh?
Look at you. You dressed up like a politician who has come to ask for a vote. I just laugh. Don't take it seriously. Just relax. Give me 5.
Yeah.
Yay. I'll get you a drink.
Mm-hmm.
One drink. Just like this. Cheers. Sit.
Tell me what you want from me, and I'll give it to you. What is it you want to see?
Hello.
Hello, Tara.
Hi, Rihanna.
Did Sikandar reach?
Yeah, he is with me.
Don't let him get more intimate.
Don't worry. I'll treat him as you have told me. Okay? Not to worry.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Tell me what you want from me, and I'll give it to you. What is it you want to see? 'Cause I'll show it to you. Tell me what you want from me, and I'll give it to you. What is it you want to see? So I'll show it to you.
I'm all yours. Relax. Wait, I'm with you. I'm with you, okay? Put some music.
Seems like you're hanging on to the past too long. She's gone, time to move on. Life is passing you by. Close your eyes, say goodnight. It's time to say goodbye.
Oh, so cool. It's really nice weather. About to rain.
Hey, you both looking nice together.
It's all because of you, Sikandar. Thank God we've got a friend like you who is beyond the barrier of rich and poor.
Huh.
Thanks, buddy. See you.
Bye.
later.
Shall I go?
Bye.
Bye.
Chalo, bye.
आंखों को आंखों से, सांसों को सांसों से, होठों को होठों से तू जोड़ ले, कर दे मोहब्बत की बारिशें और भीगा अपने एहसास में। चलो इश्क में बेखबर, तेरे इश्क में, हाँ इश्क में मैं हो गया हूँ फना, तेरे इश्क में, हाँ इश्क में। चलो इश्क में बेखबर, तेरे इश्क में।
Hi,
Hi.
Bobby.
Hi, come. My friend Bobby.
Yeah.
Hi.
And he's the one who was talking about you so much. Now, there she is.
Oh, she's Rihanna.
Yes.
Since yesterday, I have heard your name around 1,000 times. This is worshipping you. Rihanna is
Okay.
this, Rihanna did that, Rihanna changed her boo, Rihanna is the friend of all. You have
Okay.
become my envy as well as pride.
Envy? For what?
Zulfi's praising a girl made me envious.
Carry on, guys. I will be back.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Hey, what is this?
Sorry.
When life goes wrong, stay strong. Things do not just happen, they happen for a reason. So, how things are going?
I'm fine. How are you?
Cool.
Okay. I just wanted to ask you something. I've just completed my 12th and I want you to suggest me for my future. Like, what field should I choose for my future? Please suggest me.
Well, every faculty has its importance. Like, if you take science, you can be a doctor in future after completing doctorate. And if you go for commerce, then definitely go for CA course. Because that makes people's life. And engineering has a great scope for a better future. So that
Hey,
you
Tara.
can go for any...
Where's my sleeper, huh? Meera?
But what Sikandar was doing at Tara ma'am's house?
Relax. It's nothing like that. If there is something, he will let me know.
What is this going on?
What, sir? Please, sorry, sir. Sir, it will not happen again, sir.
What is this? This is a public place.
We are sorry, sir.
It's such an insulting thing. How I am going to tolerate these things?
Take this, sir. Please, sir.
Don't do this
sorry,
again,
sir. We are
okay?
really sorry.
PDA. Our public display of affection is not welcomed in India. Even holding hands is not approved. Kissing and hugging are out of question. Love is a crime? Is it crime? In our movies, we are showing killing. Killing is entertainment. And kissing? Kissing is a crime. Government makes policies for food, for home. Are they making any policy for sex? Sex, which is a part and parcel of our life. We are the product of sex. Everything which is alive on this earth is because of sex.
इश्क का नशा ऐसा चढ़ रहा आज कल पता नहीं क्यों खुद से हो जुदा
सांसों में मेरी खुशबू है तेरी रात भर सता रहा है मीठा ये जहर
तू ही मेरी सुबह है तू ही मेरा खुदा है तुझसे वास्ता है ये मेरा आस मेरा दिल किया बुझा जरा दिल में आके मेरे तो समा जरा बढ़ रही है जो ये बेकरारियां दिल के मेरे तो मिटा
The thesis on gaze of clinical sex therapist Rihanna Ahmed has been accepted by Chicago University. Acceptance of this theory has created a movement like situations across world. LGBT community is considering it unethical and a crusade on their rights. However, quick look what the thesis of Rihanna says.
I am a lesbian. That's okay. I am a hijra. That's okay. I am a hijra. That's okay. I am a hijra. That's okay. I am a lesbian. That's okay. I am a lesbian. That's okay. Ow! I am gay. That's okay. I am gay. That's okay. I am gay. That's okay. I am a lesbian. That's okay. I am a lesbian. That's okay. I am gay. That's okay. I am a hijra. That's okay. I am gay. 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 That's okay. I am a lesbian. That's okay. I am a lesbian. That's okay. I am a lesbian. That's okay. I am a bisexual. That's okay. I am a bisexual. That's okay. I am a gay.
The LGBT committee here is protesting. They are protesting against the theory of Rihanna. The Rihanna theory states that the homosexuality can be cured. A homosexual can become straight. Is that so? They are not agreeing. According to them, it cannot be possible because they claim homosexuality is in their DNA. It cannot be changed. The LGBT committee is protesting for this. Let's see what will happen.
परेड होने वाला है 28 ऑफ जनवरी को, तो हम न्योता देते हैं हर किसी को कि वो परेड में आए. हमारा अगस्त क्रांति मैदान से चालू
That's
होगा.
okay. I am a hijra. That's okay. I am a hijra.
Yeah, like
No,
yes.
not like that. Wait.
Tara.
Stop. You are not allowed to touch. Okay? I get you something. Here you are. You are not allowed, baby. No, it's Rihanna's instruction.
Hey Zulfi, have you seen this article of Times Mag?
I know.
Rihanna is everywhere. Yeah.
Have a seat. I know that. It's Rihanna's theory, which has created upheaval in the community of LGBT. Do you know that? I'm so happy, so glad. You know, it's revolutionary for everybody. It's an amazing process, thought-changing process for everybody. I have read it all, and she wrote so precisely, where she says God made man and woman for producing new generation to take the world forward in a forward area. He designed male and female reproductive system for mating. And let me tell you one more thing. Same sex is not for mating. Do you know that? Even she appeals to the people that never hate to lesbian, trans, gays, bisexuals, never hate them. She compared them with disabled people and she demands for the facilities as these disabled are getting in the world. Do you know that?
Here she advocates for the changes and urges lesbians and gays to change their sexual orientation and become straight.
Sure.
This thesis of Rihanna had created a controversy in all LGBT communities. Why are you so tensed about it? Is your sexual orientation changing? It is not bad, although it's good. I read the theory of Rihanna on sexual orientation. It changed my thought process as well. As per her theory, there are two types of gays. One by mental orientation and other of physical. Mental orientation gays like you and can turn into straight easily. Other is like me, where a woman's soul is trapped in a male body. I am a product of God error. You are my partner and a friend too. If I could see you, your next generation, that would be the best day of my life.
Thanks, Bobby.
Zulfi.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, my child.
How is your sex life, Ami? Do you sleep with Abu?
What are you talking? La hawl wala quwwat. Is it an age of mine to do this thing? What are you talking? I have a big son, daughter-in-law like you. I can't even dream about sex. Ya Allah.
Ami, sex is a natural thing. Age is not a factor to stop it. Even you can enjoy. You can enjoy sex even after your menopause. What is it about age? If you don't carry on with this relation, do you know what all can happen? Your husband will go to someone else. Yeah. This is the start of that signal. What you have seen. Be careful right now. Otherwise, it will be very late. Tara, in today's session, you will be performing stop and start technique on Sikandar by massaging him. And don't let him come. Okay? Bye.
This is a part of treatment. Don't worry. Just to distract your mind. That's it. Nothing else. Okay? Just hold. Do not come. Relax. Are you coming? Don't. You are improving. Huh?
Ruby is performing as sex surrogate. She is doing her part as per instructions of Rihanna. Sikandar's treatment is going on and he is following as per Rihanna's instruction. Let's see what is going to happen and whether Sikandar will be cured or not. It is to watch.
17 women, most of them bar girls and sex workers, were brought to the shelter home after being rescued during the raid on bar and brothel in Mumbai and Thane, booked under Prevention of Immoral Trafficking Act. They were sent by Mumbai and Thane police station. It is reported that some armed men visit this shelter in the night regularly and at the gunpoint pick women of their choice and used to rape them. 9 women flee from the shelter again. This shelter are living hell. It is the statement of one girl who has been booked by the police under the section 224 for trying to escape from rehab center. The girl accuses the warden for torture and being raped by the regular night visitors.
Milord, my client Meenakshi is booked under section 224 of the IPC. She is a poor girl serving in the bar. Presently, she is in a hospital with a fractured leg and broken hips. My client was rescued by the police under the Prevention of Immoral Trafficking Act and sent to Women Rehab Center. Today, I'm going to show the real picture of these rehab centers where these girls are being raped, abused, tortured by the management and night visitors. This medical report itself says the whole story. How my client has been raped unnaturally every day. On her denial, she had been brutally tortured by the warden. My client could not bear the serial rape and gang rape, torture. Thus, she decided to end her life and jump from the top of the rehab center. Milord, she is not the culprit of escaping from the center but attempt to suicide. Not 224, but 309. Now, I request for the intervention of this court to stop these type of so-called rescue where these poor girls are sent to these rehab centers for the fulfillment of the dirtiest sexual desires of white-collar saviors of society.
It has become a big debate on the controversy over Rihanna's theory. Gays community consider it scientifically wrong and demand for the immediate rejection of it. On this other side, many social and religious organizations are in the support of this theory. We have witnessed many rallies in support and against the theory across the world. LGBT community has raised a question on the practicality of this thesis. They rejected the theory of transformation of gay into straight. The protest is everywhere. They say that there is nothing like mental orientation. So, in the Rihanna theory, she considered it against the system of society. That gays are made by God and they do not want to change their sexual orientation as these are in their DNA. We are connecting with Mr. David, who is himself a sex therapist. Dr. David, do you think that gays and lesbians require sex therapy to change their sex orientation as proposed by Rihanna? In my opinion, they do not require any therapy. I consider them healthy and it is their life. It is up to them how to lead. It may be her opinion, but we have observed many gay couples. They are living happily. It is true biologically that they are unable to take the human generation forward. Scientifically, do you agree or disagree with the theory? Presently, I can't say anything about it till it may be applied practically.
Am I a failure?
प्यास मेरे दिल की आ बुझा जरा, दिल में आके मेरे तू समा जरा। बढ़ रही हैं जो ये बेकरारियां, दिल की मेरे तू मिठा। सांसों में मेरी खुशबू है तेरी, रात भर सता रहा है मीठा ये जहर।
तू ही मेरी सुबह है, तू ही मेरा खुदा है, तुझसे वास्ता है ये मेरा।
Begum? Don't you think that we are very old enough? I mean, our kids are grown up. They are already married. And always you make these excuses.
Love is ageless.
Yes, Rahana. I'm ready for the action. This may be the last session. I hope the treatment succeeds. Take care. Bye.
आंखों को आंखों से, सांसों को सांसों से, होठों को होठों से तू जोड़ ले। आंखों को आंखों से, सांसों को सांसों से, होठों को होठों से तू जोड़ ले। कर दे मोहब्बत की बारिशें और भीगा अपने एहसास में। चलो इश्क में बेखबर, तेरे इश्क में, हाँ इश्क में मैं हो गया हूँ फना। तेरे इश्क में, हाँ इश्क में, चलो इश्क में बेखबर, तेरे इश्क में। बेचैन दिल का सुकून है, तू ही मेरा बस जुनून है। जीने का तू ही सहारा, तू ही मेरी आरज़ू है। बेचैन दिल का सुकून है, तू ही मेरा बस जुनून है। जीने का तू ही सहारा, तू ही मेरी
Tara, I love you.
आरज़ू है।
Are you listening?
It's not that what you think. I'm not interested. It wasn't love from my side. You're getting wrong ideas. The session is over. You're all right now. Completely fine. You can leave now. There is no more Tara for you. And now Ruby is finished forever. Alright? You may go now. Okay?
about the rape cases of rehab centers.
आज अदालत ने सुधार गृहों में रह रही सेक्स वर्करों पे हो रहे शोषण की संपुष्टि कर राज्य सरकार को जांच करने का आदेश दिया है। आज का दिन यादगार रहेगा। आज अदालत ने सेक्सुअल एक्सप्लॉयटेशन के मामले में स्टेट इंक्वायरी का आदेश जारी किया है। दिस इज द डे टू रिमेंबर। टुडे द कोर्ट हैज कंफर्म्ड the sexual exploitations of sex workers in the rehab center and ordered for state inquiry in this matter. I thank media, public and police. I would like to salute Meenakshi for her great fighting spirit and courage to stand against these sexual exploitations. Thank you.
Thank you, Taraji. And Miss Rihanna, what do you say about your theory? Whether my theory is feasible or not, you can ask my husband, who was homosexual.
Yes, I was a gay, but thanks to my loving wife, Rihanna, her love made me straight. If a woman wants, she can really convert a man from homo to straight. So, of course, the theory of Rihanna is correct, and I am the living example of this theory. I appeal gays to follow this theory. That's all. Thank you. Thank you.
Nobody is as lucky as Zulfi and Sikandar. Zulfi and Sikandar, those are the person who got Rihanna and Tara. Rihanna theory, a theory proved by her practicality. She proved that a homosexual can become a straight.
Sikandar, I'm not denying that I didn't love you. During your treatment, even I started loving you. But my plans are different. I want to fight for that part of our society which has been ignored. They are just used as pawns, Sikandar. I want to fight for the legal rights of the prostitutes. Though I left that place long back. But their silent tears haunt me. I know it's not easy. I know it's not easy. It's my dream to make a better and safer environment for them. Even their kids deserve education and better upbringing. Don't they? Sikandar, I can't commit as a girlfriend. Or more than that too. Rather, I need commitment from you. I need support from you. You support me for this organization. I hope you understand. Are you with me?
Yes, Tara. I'm always with you. I'm with you.
With you.
We also with you. Yes,
Thanks,
indeed.
guys. Thank you. Let's go. Yay! I am glad. Today my friends are with me in my fight for the rights of the prostitute who clean the dirt of the society. When these rapes and abuses will stop.
There's a lot more going on in a woman's body than anyone ever imagined. Orgasm. It's one of the most intense pleasures we can experience.
Maggie Gyllenhaal talks to the experts to explore why is sex fun?
Odile Buisson is a pioneering scientist who is charting new territory in sex research. It was only as recently as 1998 that researchers discovered the true size and scope of the clitoris. It isn't just a small external button. It's a far more complex structure. 2 prongs of erectile tissue wrapping around the vagina. Now, Dr. Buisson has teamed up with Professor Emanuele Giannini from the University of L'Aquila in Italy. They want to study female sexual anatomy in action. But to do so, they need the help of the woman's partner.
So that's your room to change.
That means bringing sexual intercourse into the